Hello everybody and welcome back to another plan with me. I am planning for the month of February, which I am very excited for. My monthly plan with me's are like pre-plan with me, so I think it's a little bit more fun and something different for you to see on my channel. If you missed January, definitely I have a plan with me 2021 playlist going. Definitely feel free to check that out. So I am using the Scribble Prints Co. Netflix and Chill monthly kit, which I'm very excited about. I used the Netflix and Chill Ultimate kit last year and I really loved the way it turned out. So I'm excited to see kind of what I can do with February. Let's go ahead and grab my inserts. I have a journaling card kind of loose right here because I still need to washi it, but look at the front of my dashboard so far. So cute. I've just been like slowly but, or not dashboard, but like slowly but surely decorating and I'm really excited. So let's get into this monthly. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you in just a tiny bit. So the color that I decided to go for, I remember when I used this monthly kit, or not the monthly, but the ultimate kit, I went with a mixed metal, I'm pretty sure, and the lining, like the glitter strip, is silver, but I think I'm gonna go with gold. I just feel like I used silver for January and I just think gold would look super, super pretty. So hopefully, well, oh, I forgot to grab my washi. I'll have to go pick some Simply Gilded washi here in a second, but I think it'll look good. I'm excited, and hopefully I don't mess anything up this time because it's really difficult to peel this up. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go grab some Simply Gilded washi because I totally forgot there's just like this and then all of this I'm gonna block out. So there's that. I also forgot in January to use a foiled like month. So I did put it in later, but I grabbed them to put them in now because I don't want to forget. There's that. And then let's just go ahead and put in February. I am going to use tweezers, although this is like a really large sticker. I just want to be able to like see my placement and make sure I like where it goes down. And I do like that. That looks really pretty. Okay, so there's that. Let's do our sidebar. I am just going to do a decorative sidebar. I just really like the look of it. I think it looks really pretty. So I am going to just pop this in. There, it went a little sideways, so that's okay. I'm just too scared to peel them up, I think. But it still looks really pretty. I think I am gonna pause quickly and go grab some Simply Wilded. That's what that is. Some Simply Gilded. I'll be right back. Okay, so I found this one and I've actually never opened it. I do not know like what the exact name is or anything like that, but I'm excited. I think it's gonna look really nice and bring out some more like red, you know? But I'm gonna open it on camera with you guys because I don't normally open my washi. Like I haven't, well then again, I haven't ordered washi in a hot minute, but like usually when I get washi from like babe boxes or subscriptions or anything like that, I don't typically open it because I don't like to open until I use it. But I'm excited. So this is like a purpley red, like a mauve with gold. So I thought that would look really nice. Where did I put it? It's right here. Slice tool. I was watching this girl, she does, oh, I don't know her name, so I genuinely apologize, but if you do know who it is, like feel free to link her or like let everyone know who she is down below in the comments. But she does like Simply Gilded washi art, essentially. Like she decorates, like she gets, I don't know, does she draw them or is it like a digital art? I don't know, but she decorates them with washi, like decorates the hair, and it looks just unbelievable. I was watching it all morning. It was just crazy. She was posting it on like a planner Facebook group I think that I'm in, or I don't know actually. It might have been the Simply Gilded Facebook group actually. But it was cool. It was really fun to watch. Let's see. Cool. I am clearly not as talented as her, but it was still very exciting to watch. So let's just do a little bit over. Smooth that out. It's been so long since I have put Simply Gilded washi inside my like weekly pages. I'm just so used to the 15mm strip now and I really enjoy it with like foil. But maybe one day if I find like a spread that like would go absolutely perfect. Maybe I will, because this is so fun. I hope I cut that really weird. Hold on. There's gonna be like a strange slice, you'll see. But I can fix it. So I just gotta peel it up. Okay, so there's that. I have this stuck to me. It looks really pretty, actually. I'm like very happy I did this. Okay. And then let's do this. It is, you know, a lot of washi, but it's pretty. Also, I feel like I might have said this, but they are doing construction right now behind our house. So if you hear any like loud noises or anything, it's more than likely that, you know, so it's fine. Let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. And I'm tired. Perfect. So there's that. I'll put that over to the side. So that looks really nice. Just like a nice, easy way to block off your days. I think that's kind of it as far as decoration. I'm not doing any sort of date dots or anything. So I guess we can just get into like the weekly stuff. So I'll just zoom in a little bit more and we'll get into that. So let's start with, I do put like bill dues and stuff like that. And I mean, the bill dues take up the majority of this. I actually realized when I was doing January, I filmed, or like I prepped for the January monthly and then filmed it all in a matter of like 20 minutes. So I forgot like so much stuff to put in. Like I definitely had a birthday. I definitely had more bills to put in, but I just like spaced them completely. So I tried to be a little bit more prepared for this plan with me. So we shall see how good that works. I think I got some like food there. I don't know. We'll see. So let's get into that. So first and foremost, on the first is almost always a house payment. So let's put that in. I like to use like bill dues with these little kind of little things on the labels sheet, and then the mini icons. These are like the SPC Once More with Love collaboration foiled icons, and I just kind of find one that fits well. I'm using gold, and these are the mini ones, and a little house, because I thought that makes the most sense for a house payment. And then on the 5th, which is actually today for me, we have our Up release. We're doing from Fantasy Wax Melts and Up themed release, and I'm very excited for it. It actually releases, I think, in like 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes. Let me look. Hopefully it's not 10 minutes. 20 minutes. So I have to go get downstairs for that. But to mark that, I'm going to use like a little half box. And then this is from Paper Muse Crafts. She has a whole Up sheet, but I picked the house because I thought it was really cute. I mean, I think it's really cute. And then on the 12th, I want to mark that nothing else is going on. On the 12th, I want to mark that Avery actually has her Valentine's Day party this day. We have to make sure we bring all of her stuff to school on the 10th, but I do want to mark that she has a little party because that's really cute. Oh, I forgot there's deco. Well, I don't really need it right now. So let's do like the little, this little squared one in pink to mark that she has her little Valentine's Day party this day. We have to go get her like a cute dress or something because I think that would be really cute. So to mark that, this is from a Once More with Love like Valentine's Day assorted sheet. It's just a little Be Mine conversation heart. And then Avery's birthday is actually the 13th, which, oh boy, I cannot believe my baby girl is growing up on me. Let's do like this dark blue. I'm gonna cover the whole day, but I'll just put a date dot on top of that later. I forgot to pull some out, but that's okay. I can do that. Actually, let me just pull some out right now. I need to completely redo my foil organization, but I just am very hesitant to because I'm the type of person, so like it's not organized whatsoever. Like it's just not to an outsider. But to me, I know where everything is, so like why would I reorganize it? You know what I mean? Oh, I have these cute little heart Sadie stickers. Do I have an, I don't know. Let's just pull those out. Those are really cute. Let's use those. So I'll have to make sure if I cover any days with any full boxes, it can't be, oh shoot, it's totally gonna be one of these. So JK, but these are really cute. I'll just go back to regular ones. I'll use these probably for Valentine's Day spreads and stuff. Sorry, I'm trying to find stuff and it's difficult. Okay, but I do have my regular old SPC ones, so those will absolutely work. So do I have a 13 though? Okay, I do. I was like, wait. So let me just put a little 13 down before I use like a character. I totally could have grabbed like a happy birthday script, but I don't mind writing it in. So for Avery's birthday, this is from Fox and Pip. It's the Build Your Squad sticker. So this is the one I built for my little nugget. We were gonna take her to a zoo, but there's supposed to be like a cold front coming through, so I'm okay with waiting till like potentially March to go to the zoo, but I think that's good. So then her birthday, and then the 14th is of course Valentine's Day, which I'm so excited about. Do I have anything else the 14th? No. Should I put, yeah, let's do one of these for the Valentine's Day. Okay, and then for Valentine's Day, I'm going to use this little Maru. This is from an older sheet, but she might still have these in shop. Just holding a heart, making a little kissy face. And then from SPC's mini months, or not mini months, mini holiday sheet, I have a little mini Valentine's Day, which that is pretty perfect if I do say so myself. So that is the 14th, and then the 15th is actually President's Day, which I'll do in like a little label. I don't have a character sticker for it, so we'll just put it with the President's Day mini holiday. Like, this is a very intense weekend for us. So let's just use again another mini holiday. We'll just put in President's Day. Cute, I like that. Okay, and then the, oh, there's other stuff the 15th, JK. I knew that was bigger. And then I have, shoot. We have our electric bill and our gas bill due. So I'm gonna grab two different little things and just stack them, I think. Good thing I went with a label and not like a half box. Am I gonna cover the 15? Yes, but I'll put it in a second. Yes. So for electric and gas, I just did the same kind of thing. So I have 2 stars. One is filled in, one is not. I don't think it truly matters which one I use. So we'll just do this. That's cute. And then I'm gonna grab a 15 because I don't know, I just hate that that's covered. And we'll put it over here. It looks a little funky, but it's my own fault, you know, for not paying attention. Okay, and then the 18th, I have 2 more bills that are due on the 18th. We have our my Barclay, not our, my credit card, and then State Farm, which is insurance. So let me put both of those in. See, I told you guys I was forgetting all sorts of bills. So, oh, I gotta buy stuff today. So for, what did I say? For Barclay, I'm gonna use this little money icon. And then for our insurance, I couldn't quite think of something to use other than like a car, but I'm already using the car, so I'm just gonna use this little alarm clock for that. And then the 19th, 2 things. First, we have our Dumbo release, which I'm so excited. It's like a carnival collection. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna use one of these, I think, for that, just to make it a little bit smaller, because Avery also has a doctor's appointment this day. So let's do, I don't think a label would quite fit, but I kind of want to use a label. So I'm going to, since it's like 2 big things, and then we'll do like a 19 in there. So for our Dumbo release, I knew I had like a Dumbo sticker somewhere, but the only one I could find was this really cute Pumpkin Paper Co. Girl riding a Dumbo, and I was like, well, that kind of works. And then for Avery's doctor's appointment, I have a Stick with the Plan Co. doctor sticker. I'm gonna cut her legs though, just to be able to make her fit. And we'll put her in here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the 19th over here. I put her over here because I didn't like the way that looked, so I learned my lesson. And we'll just pop the 19 right there. And then on the 21st, I have three bills that are due, yes. So I have my K's credit card, which we actually just bought stuff on it the other day, which is cool. I like gifts. And then our phone bill and our water bill. I honestly don't know the exact date that our water bill is due. I always pay it like ridiculously early. Like for some reason I feel like it's due at the end of the month, and I always just pay it like the 15th. But I'm gonna put it on the 21st because that's just how I'm gonna do it. So for Kay's credit card, I am going to use a little bow. Then for the phone, I'm going to use a little phone because that makes sense. If I can get it. There we go. Maybe I should do these like every other. I just feel like writing is difficult. And then for water, I'm going to use the little spray bottle. And I'm getting a text from Brian, so let me check on that because he has to go get Avery here in a couple minutes. Let me see. Okay. Cool. So that is the 21st. Then on the 23rd, it is my little brother's birthday, and he is turning, no way, 15, right? 15. Okay, shoot. For a second, I was like, there's no way he's turning 16. 15. Thank God. So I'm going to put that in on the 23rd. I can't believe he's turning 15, you guys. He's a freshman in high school. It's crazy. So for his birthday, I just grabbed the last 2 stickers I had remaining on a pumpkin paper co, like an old one, birthday sheet. So I'm just using this like green little birthday sticker for his birthday. And then on the 24th is actually my little sister's birthday, and she's turning 14. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to just kind of put them back to back there, and I'll just put hers on the other side. And I'm just using, it's like an orange one. Seriously, I just grabbed the last 2 colors just so I could use them. But that's cute. They have birthdays back to back. And then last but not least, on the 28th, which is over here. Oh my gosh, this side's a little bare. The 28th, I have 2 bills that are due. I have Spectrum, which is our internet, and then Honda, which is our car. So I'm going to just pour those in here. So to mark Spectrum, because it's the internet, I'm going to use a, oh, I just told myself I wanted to do every other. I'll do that in March. So I'll just do a little computer, and then for the car, I'm gonna use a little car. And that worked out pretty perfectly, I would say. So there's the week then. Let me zoom you out again. And then we can do some of those full boxes that I want to use. And some deco. So, what box do I want to use? I like the bathtub. Oh, well, the bathtub's over here though. Let's use 2, okay? Let's use the bathtub on the 10th. Oh, that's like our month anniversary. I think Brian said last month was 123 months. He was like, do you know we've been together for 123 months? I don't know if that's right. Hold on, let me quickly do some math. So we've been together for, I don't know, 10 years and November, December, January, February. 10 years and 4 months. So 12 plus 4, 16. Wait, that's not right. So 12 times 10 plus 4. Yeah, so this would be 124 months. 124 month anniversaries. My head hurts. And so there's that. And then I also want to use the little like stack of movies and like little wines. Those are really cute. I think maybe the 25th would be perfect for this one. Just to like, I don't know, it just made sense. So I have the 10th. Oh, perfect. And I have one lone 10 up here. 10th. And then the 25th. Oh, for a second I was like, I don't have a 25th. Shoo. Cute. Okay, and then let's do a little bit of deco, and then I have got to go because I have to go do new releases. So definitely gonna use the ramen bowl. Definitely gonna use the ramen bowl. I love ramen, and if I'm using ramen, I have to use In-N-Out because Brian is obsessed with In-N-Out. We need some cookie dough ice cream. Oh my gosh, this deco is just like so good. Actually, do I have it next to me? Sorry, I have the Netflix and Chill sticker pack. I still haven't put it away, but like a lot of the deco is food. Food is like the way to my heart. So we'll do like a little Netflix, some chocolate covered strawberries. We actually made chocolate covered strawberries the other day. Avery ate all of them. I think I had 1 and Brian maybe had 2, and Avery ate every single one. So go Avery. Let's just, I'm literally just gonna put deco on every day that doesn't have deco because, or anything at all, because this deco is just so good. Ah, what the heck? There we go. Let's do the 9th. And then I have one more piece. Oh no. The 3rd. Okay, so that is it for my February monthly. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.